Push me.
Let's go.
And then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction. Satisfaction.
Oh, dude.
Satisfaction.
Alright, videotape this.
Satisfaction.
Actually, first let's throw it.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
And then just hit me.
Okay, videotape me.
Satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Really? Wow, after like 12 or 13 years, this thing finally died.
No.
Old crappy radio clock from the 90s. Now let's spit on it. That's what you get for being a piece of shit.
Push me and then just touch me till